Then we got my dog Josh's car in here for a little turbo upgrade. Recently, I did a whole turbo kit on this car, and it made like 650, which is pretty fire. He's having some turbo issues, so we got that new boy going on here. It's so nice. All right, here's the old turbo. Pretty sure it's not supposed to do that. It's back. My dog not impressed. So I didn't make clutch kickers, but I'm about to get my car welded up. That's why I didn't go. I'm gonna show y'all in a little bit. I got my dog Rick coming over to weld it up for me. But we still here watching clutch kickers, so that's the man with the plan.
Sunbeam cart.
What we got going on today, Rick?
I'm gonna weld this motherfucking car.
Yeah.
Wake up that cancer, boy.
Damn. Someone's gonna kill me. Actually, I've had cancer twice.
Yeah, fuck it.
That's what I'm saying. They're gonna get me up, so. Where?
Yeah, as you can see there,
Oh.
right there, and even over here it's coming apart. So see if we can make some magic happen. I don't want a new shelf. Hey, this man is the man. How long you been doing this for?
About 30 years.
Yeah, damn. It was just meant to be
Since
that
I
we
was a
met.
jitterbug. Since I was a young man.
You could lay it down. You know, you gotta get a little twig on that, you know what I'm saying? That's how you gonna make it real right.
Keeps me from shaking.
So once we're done stitch welding that back up, my dog got a couple plates laying around. Not crazy thick, but enough to reinforce it, so I probably don't have this issue again. Tell me you're a mechanic without telling me you're a mechanic. Dang. I've been looking for it. All right, so it's day 2. We back at it. We got one welded yesterday, and we're on to the second today.
Yeah.
I got my fireman on deck.
Yeah,
We
yeah.
got some lights
Volunteer.
in action. We got my man putting in work. Crazy getting ready so we can take podium. You know,
I'm taking podium.
it's the gang. It's me or him. That's it.
Or it could be both.
Yeah. Well, first, second. That's it.
Yeah.
Oh man. Got Crazy putting in some work too. We got some cracking going on here.
Hey,
So
MTF
you just-
gotta check up on that shit, dog.
Hey man, it's been like 2 years old. What you mean?
Be cracking this shit.
He stopped going off at the compound.
I know.
I'm just kidding. But yeah, he just tightened that up. I'm just still watching a little FD, or not FD, Klutch Kickers.
It's gonna
My
be
dog
an
took
FD.
my extension, and we almost done on the head. Damn, Rick the welder, dog. He laid it down, son.
Shout out Rick the Welder.
Yo,
If you need anything done, hit us up.
yo.
We'll get you set up.
My
Don't
dog, he right next door, so
worry.
just
Yeah,
link us.
Got that right.
He got me straight. I'm gonna make a little video of mine in a second, and he got my dog Crazy straight. So we happy as hell. All right, my dog went in. We're plated. I don't gotta worry for a minute. He filled it up extra fat there, and hooked me up back here. I probably need to go over my car and stitch weld it, but for now, I'm very happy. All right, so I put a little paint on it. It's tightened up for now. Swapping out my rack bushings because, you know, my rack had mad play and these always keep going bad. So I finally upgraded to the GK Techs. I'm gonna drop that in now and she's off for alignment.